Welcome to another episode of Fruit to Dessert. Today we will be making strawberry lemonade soda. When you drink this beverage, you will no doubt recognize its all-natural classic strawberry lemonade with a tang of carbonation.
For this recipe, you will need 4 ounces of thawed frozen strawberries, 1/8 cup of sugar, 15 ounces of Sprite or tonic water, 3 ounces of lemonade concentrate, a blender, and a strainer. Please note that with this quantity of ingredients, you can only make a little more than 2 cups of the final product, so feel free to double or triple this recipe.
Put the frozen strawberries, sugar, and lemonade concentrate in the blender. Blend it until smooth while stopping a few times to mix your ingredients. Pour your blended mixture into a strainer so it will drip into a large bowl.
With a spoon, mix around the product until you are left with something like this. Also, you should be left with a smooth pink-orange liquid in your bowl.
Add in your Sprite and slowly mix thoroughly. Now you can serve it immediately. Congrats, you have successfully made this beverage. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video.
Also, be sure to check out our other videos such as apple pie on a stick or dip banana bites. We will have new uploads every weekend.
Thanks!